we also need to make it clear that the Minister of FCT, the Garulus Wike, he has undermined the right of citizens in Abuja to peacefully protest and even gather, which is why we are faced with this court injunction. So that we are also calling that the man that Wike himself is unfit to continue to govern within the democratic sphere of the FCT. And again, tomorrow we'll be out in mass. Our people will be out to further the protest, because the protest continues. As you all recall, it is a 10 days protest, and even aside that, 10 days and beyond. Because from all indication, the government does not appear or is not displaying any form of readiness to meet our demands. We all read what the president read out today. No single demand from this protest was addressed by the president. So that our protest continues. And I said earlier that the court injunction against us is an attack on the democratic rights of us as citizens. And we are going to fight that on the street to ascertain, to make clear that we have the right to gather. And we have the right to also move. Because we will not let the government to tell us how to express our anger. We will not let the government to restrict us to say protests can be held at social point. Because like I said earlier, our parents fought so hard against the military dictators. We are not going to watch in our own generation, our own time. Why under civilian rule, citizens cannot protest or citizens cannot gather where they are supposed to gather. So on Monday, we'll be out en masse and we'll be out to exercise our rights, both the freedom to assembly and the freedom to move. So we need to make this very clear. And also, we need to make one important point, that the government of the day is gradually introducing the military into this protest. From the very first day, the military came in their armor tank. Although they were not active, but they came driving into protesters in the way of dispersing us. The second day, they were also there. The third day, many of our protesters were shot at. When the police exhausted their tear gas, the military came in to disperse protesters on the second day, the evening, at the National Stadium. Yesterday, while police were attacking us, the military were moving with them. We connect these dots together, that the government is embarking or trying to use the military the way they did during the Lekki toll gate massacre on innocent protesters, which is why they are demanding today that media should not cover the protest again. We are saying that we will not allow another Lekki toll gate to repeat itself, and that the government of Tinubu is embarking on this sinister agenda to kill innocent protesters by using the military. And like I said earlier, yesterday the military themselves were there. The police were the ones leading the military to attack the citizens. And if care is not taken, the military will be the ones to start leading police to attack and kill innocent citizens. So we are making all of these points clear that the IGP and the CP of police, including Nelson Wike, who is the FCT minister, must be held responsible for all of the attacks that happened in Abuja within the last 72 hours of our protest.